Super simple. Today I will be teaching you guys how to use free Elementor to design your web page. A lot of people believe that the free Elementor version plugin is limited, and as such you cannot use it to actually design a better interface of a web page. In this video I am going to teach you how you can easily use this same free Elementor version, not the pro version, the free version, how to use it and actually design an amazing WordPress website. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to install a plugin. The plugin that we are going to install is called Elementor. So what I have to do is to come into my plugin, click on new, add new, and we can now install a new plugin. But in my case, I have already installed Elementor, but I'm going to show you how you will do this. Click on add new, and here you will type, make sure the keyword is set, and then in the search bar here you will type Elementor, and you search, Elementor, you search. So you will see Elementor website builder, and in my case it's already activated. So but in your case it will show install now, just like as you are seeing here. So you have to click on install now, but in my case here you can see it's active. So I'm currently using the free plugin of Elementor. Okay, and this plugin is what we are going to use to build a full website by dragging and dropping the components, and we are good to go. So let's dive into the system, the dashboard, and start creating our website. So what I have to do next, since mine is already activated, in your case you have to install and click after installation, then you click activate, and you are good to go. You are good to follow the next step. Now the next step is for us to come to the page here and add new page. I will just click on all pages so that you see the pages that I have and the new page that I'm going to create in this video. So as you can see, all my pages are all created with the use of Elementor free version, although I have the pro version. I have subscribed already. The pro version is not free, you have to pay for it, but I have my own already activated pro version. If you stay with me in this video, I am going to drop a link in the description, and it's going to be a giveaway anyway. I will drop a link in the description of my pro version of Elementor with the activation key. So I'm going to in this video, if I once I get up to let's say 30 subscribers on this particular video. Okay, once you subscribe, just drop a comment in the comment box, Elementor Pro giveaway. Just type it, Elementor Pro giveaway. I will drop the activation code and the link to download the Elementor Pro version that you can also install in your system without purchasing it. So you will use my activation code. I'm giving the activation code for free for the first 30 subscribers that will subscribe to this video. All right, so you can see I have already pages that I have created with Elementor, and all I have to do is to click on add new, and I will add new page that is blank page, so I can start designing this page from scratch. So we are here now on the blank page, so I will add a title to the page, just say Elementor or element. Let me just call the page element web or element home, and that sorry, that will be the name, or let me say LM home, and I will click on publish and publish again. This page will automatically be published, and after that you will click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Once it is published, as you can see, it is now fully published, and we can now go ahead and click on edit Elementor. So the LM home is now live, so you can see it now. It's already published because I'm on live server. So as this page is already being crawled by Google, because this live server is already activated for Google indexing. So this new page I just created has already been sent out for crawling and is already live. So you can also visit the page, but that is not what we are going to do. We are going to click on edit with Elementor, and our page will be edited with Elementor, so we can start creating our new canvas for this page. So here we are on the interface of the page. You can see it's so ugly and nothing has been done. So I'm going to teach you in this video how you can use your free Elementor plugin and do awesome design. If you don't have money to buy or purchase the pro version of the Elementor, and like I said before, in this video I am going to share with you guys my free plugin sorry, my pro plugin version for free. I will drop the link in the description, but I will do that only if I have up to 30 subscribers from this video. I will be publishing this video today, and if at the end of today and the next day I get the 30 subscribers, and you have to drop a comment that you have you need this pro version. You have to type Elementor Pro giveaway. Okay, Elementor Pro giveaway. Elementor Pro giveaway, and I will drop the link in the description. Okay, so you can download it, and I will also attach my activation code for free that you can use to activate the pro version for yourself. I am going to drop the free activation code in the description once I get the 30 subscribers. Although the 30 subscribers are very small, but I know I have faith in my viewers. So anybody who want to support this channel and you like what we are giving here in this channel, you definitely have to subscribe so that anytime we release a new video, you will be the first person to get notification. And we always give free stuff in any of our video. We always give away in any video we release like this. So let's proceed. Now this is the basic component and the element of the free version of the Elementor. You can see here inner section, headings, all these are free, and you can use just this alone to design an awesome interface for your web page, and it will look professional. But here you see the pro version. In your case, if you have installed the free Elementor version, in your case you will also see pro, like here you will see pro, but in your case there will be padlock key icon showing that you cannot use all these components without subscribing, without paying. And that is why I am going to help you guys. You can see mine, there is no key, and it's a pro version. I have already activated it, and once you get my activation key for free, and you can go ahead and activate your pro version, and yours will also be like this. So you can use all these elements from pro version without spending money. So what we have to do to start designing our interface is to come to the settings here, click on the settings, and we click on the page layout. We choose Canva, Elementor Canvas, and next we are going to do is to republish this page so that the effect can take place, and we will now see a blank canvas and we can start designing our page. That is how I normally use Elementor, and Elementor is a good plugin, awesome plugin that it will help you to design a full website in less than 24 hours. No matter how heavy your website may be, using Elementor, either pro version or free version, you'll be able to finish up your client's work on time. So you don't need to write code. Elementor have all the elements. You can drag and drop in the interface and you are good to go. Now you can now see that my Canva is ready and is blank. Nothing is there. So for me to start designing, the first section I have to design is the hero section, and or let me design the header. Okay, now what I have to do is to click on this plus icon, and I can either choose this or any of these Alright, so but because I want to design the header section, I will click on this and now make sure you click on these three dots and you come to this layout. The content width, you have to change it to full width so that the entire screen will be filled by this uh, background. And let us proceed. What we have to do is to change the background of this bus, but before then, since this is the header, we have to expand this header to take maximum width and maximum height. We already have the full width to take the maximum height, okay, of our header. So what I will do is to use okay, so we take the maximum height, not the width. Okay. So we take the minimum height. You can see this is the minimum height for the header. You can see. So you adjust, and once you get to your desired minimum height, yes, you can leave it there. Now the next thing I will have to do is to start designing my header the way I want it to be. So I will come back here and take the inner section in here. So I have about 3 columns in the inner section. So the first column here will be reserved for my logo, and the middle inner section will be reserved for the menu item, and the other inner section can be reserved for other purposes such as login and register button, or you can use this to display contact info, or you can use it to display your social media icon. Now let me work on the menu item, how to bring in your menu item into this inner section. So I will drag this nav menu into this inner section, and that will be my menu. Okay, yes, you can see my menu items, they are all here, and here on the layout you will choose menu, but in your case you don't have these settings already because this is your first time of doing this. So but in my case I have already designed my menu, I've already customized my menu, so I'm going to show you how I did it. And once you drag that menu element into the section, inner section, your menu will be very much ready. Okay, and that is how we design our menu. I can now go ahead and bring my logo here. My logo will be here. Let me bring it now. So simply drag the image into this inner section and select the image that you want as your logo. I will simply choose this as my logo, this, and insert media. You can see my logo is here, and I will adjust the size of my logo to something small size. So I will click on the style and I will adjust the width of the image. You can see I'm adjusting the width of the image, and I will also adjust the height of the image. So this might be what I want as my logo, and this is my menu item, and this here I will put my social media icon. And for me to do that, I will come back here and put in my, to put your social media icon here is pretty simple. Just type in social icon on the search bar here. So drag the social icon and put it here, and you are good to go. You can see your social icon here. So this is how we briefly use the free Elementor to design your website, and it's very simple. It will take you much time. You have finished designing your website. So what I have to do is to change the background of this header, and haven't done that. Uh, you can now go ahead and put the step-by-step procedure of what I have shown you on this video, and you will also get the same results that I have. So I click on the style. Make sure you click on these three dots to add background environment for the main section, which is the header section, and you come to the style here and click on background type. Click on the classic, and instead of changing the image background, I will choose the color here, and I can select any color of my choice. Okay, you can see that it's changing the background, but I don't want that to be the background. I want something much more transparent, and I can use this gradient to change the transparency of this background. And let me change the color. Okay, so this is what I want, and sorry, yeah, this is what I want as the background. Depend on what you want. Okay, depending on what you want, you can choose that color. I think this is cool. The black text is also appearing well, but I'll change the color of the text to white, and your header is already designed. So let's see the preview of these projects, and let's see how it look like. So before we preview this page, we have to click on update to publish this page. So I'll click on the preview changes. This is pretty cool. You can see my web page is live and everything is cool. My logo is here, my menu is here, and my social icon is here. You can do this for yourself, and using this Elementor, everything will be so simple and so easy for you. If today is your first time of watching my video, please consider to subscribe so that you can always be notified by YouTube algorithm anytime I upload a new video. Please make sure you also share this video with your friends on social media and other platforms so that people can get to know about the video and learn. And if I get the 30 subscribers, I'm going to drop my giveaway in the description section of this video, and I will also drop the free activation key so that you can activate your pro version of Elementor and start utilizing it for free. Peace.